Discover how to seamlessly install IPTV smarters on your smart TV for effortless streaming joy. With more households turning to IPTV, knowing how to download it is an absolute must for viewers. Start by accessing your smart TV's app store, navigating to search for IPTV smarters specifically. Using your remote, type IPTV smarters and verify that it appears as one of the top results. Upon finding IPTV smarters, you'll want to click to begin the downloading and installation process. The app download could take a few moments, depending on your internet connection speed and reliability. Once downloaded, locate the app in your library, ready for you to configure and customize. Open the app and input your IPTV account details to instantly access your favorite TV channels. If you do not yet have an IPTV provider, 2TV.store offers some of the best options available. Connecting to a reliable provider like 2TV.store ensures top-quality streaming without interruptions. Once logged in, explore the wide variety of options available within IPTV smarters to suit preferences. Check out the settings menu to adjust the quality, subtitles, and other streaming preferences effortlessly. Now you're ready to kick back, relax, and enjoy endless entertainment with IPTV smarters today. 2TV.store has your essentials covered, making them highly recommended for any IPTV smarters user. Revolutionize how you watch TV by unleashing the power of IPTV, joining the streaming future now. Turn your smart TV into an entertainment hub and never look back as you cut cable costs forever.